Hey everybody, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2019 and a half Forest River R-Pod 178 model. I'm going to take a few minutes, walk you around the outside and inside of this new camper. On the outside, again, this is the new 10th anniversary edition, so you're going to notice new graphics and color change on the outside. So it's not blue anymore, it has the gray exterior. This one was ordered with the optional power Thule awning. This new power awning feature has the LED light strip built in. The legs for the power awning can come out and attach to the ground by stakes, or you can leave it attached to the side of the camper. But when you actually put the power awning in, those legs fold up into this front section here. And when that goes up, it encases the awning in a nice little metal box. So it helps really protect the awning fabric. So it's a little bit nicer setup than some of the traditional awnings in protecting the fabric of the material. On the coach, you have a spare tire on the back. That spare tire is slid into an 1.25 inch bike rack hitch receiver. So you can you can actually take the spare out, put a bike rack in there if you want, or R-Pod now offers the jacket bike rack hitch for the front tongue, which is an available option if you'd rather do that too. You have two outdoor speakers on the coach. The camper has 15-inch aluminum rims. Pretty large storage compartment across the back of the coach here. Now, this is underneath the main bed. You have a 60 by 74 bed. You'll notice that when we actually get in there. But it gives you a lot of storage underneath of there. The baggage doors flip up and they're held up by magnetic catches. Another nice feature is the baggage door key is the same key for the entry door. You have a little running light on the fender well there. There's double entrance step going into the coach, which is kind of an aluminum tread plate. Nice rounded shape to it, so it is better for wind aerodynamics when traveling. Power tongue jack. This customer actually ordered theirs with the E2 hitch system to go on the front to help with travel. You can see some of the hitch parts there, but you also have storage across the front section here. The sewer hose holder down here, and scissor jacks. These scissor jacks, there's 4 of them, one on each corner. Also, the new one comes with the spray port. You can see the blue hose hanging down there. You have a window in the entry door and the large folding entry handle also. Deep tint safety glass windows. There is a diamond plate metal across the front. There's also a little gas hookup right there on the frame, which is great for a portable grill or something along those lines. Standard 2-inch hitch ball. The power tongue jack also has a manual crank in case of any type of electronic failure. You can manually crank it up and down, and it has a light in it too. On this side of the coach, you will find your little stickers here for information. Basically, 3,500 pound axle, gross vehicle weight is 3768. That is hitch weight and axle weight combined. You have your VIN number. Production date of this unit was 10/30/18. And you will also find your exact tire size, ST225 75 R15 D range tires right there. Up here in the front section, you'll also see the dry weight sticker. 2732, so 2,732 pounds. Another thing that they added on there is a little holder for your Bargman plug of lighting. It's a 7-way Bargman plug that they use for your running lights and your brakes. The unit has a slide out on it. That slide out is the Lippert Schwintek slide system. That is a 12-volt system, so you can run it in and out off battery power. And if it ever fails electronically, again, you can pop the little motor out and hand push it in if needed. There is a dump down here. This is for your toilet. Your cable and satellite and power cord hookups right here. Now that power cord is a detachable cord to take that on and off. That's a nice sealed system so you don't have bugs crawling up into your camper through an open hole there. There's a secondary dump back here, which is your gray tank. They do not connect together, and that is in part because of how low they sit to the ground. It's very hard to get them connected together and have them drain properly because tanks on campers are gravity fed. So you'll see a lot of the large campers, which are higher off the ground, will be a little bit better designed on that part. But that is a feature of the R-Pod. So you have low point water drains down there, your furnace exhaust, you have your city water and freshwater hookups, and your water heater. There's an electric switch right there for the electric side of the water heater. 1.16" drain plug on the water heater. Outside utility shower, hot and cold water. You have LED running lights and tail lights. You can somewhat see up top there, you have a low profile 13,500 BTU air conditioner system. Just to the right of that is the TV antenna handle. TV antenna itself, they don't rotate like they used to or crank up and down like they used to. So a little different type of antenna on there, but they are digital antennas. Another real nice improvement for the new R-Pod is going to be the new Azdel composite. That replaces the Luan board that the fiberglass was attached to. So instead of having a fiberglass glued to a 1/8" Luan backer, it's actually glued to the Azdel composite material, which does not rot from water damage. That is on the sidewalls along with the top front piece as well. So from the front of the R-Pod all the way to the back is a one-piece fiberglass front/roof/rear end that is also attached with composite material. So it's a lot better when it comes to the construction side of things. Aluminum studs in your sidewalls and your floor. So very important there. Again, material that does not rot. Going up into the coach, you have the U-shaped dinette in the front. This dinette can be made into a bed, and it's basically, I think it's about a 60 by 74, roughly queen bed if you do have guests that come with you. But if not, you have a nice large U-shaped dinette. Now going into the coach, you'll notice they have changed the interior ceiling boards, wall boards, flooring. All of this has actually changed for the new 19.5 version. You can see the little black thing down on the right there. That is your propane leak detector. Panning up the wall a little bit, you have a light switch for your bathroom, your digital thermostat for your furnace, and your air conditioner. It's more accurate than the analog version, and it is again digital on the air, where most of these other brands on the market just have little knobs on that air conditioner up there to turn, and it's not real accurate when it comes to that feature. Now the unit is also pre-wired for solar prep. That is a new option of solar panel on the roof with a 1,000-watt inverter that you can now get on the R-Pod. That basically goes where that sticker is you see right there. And if you do that 1,000-watt inverter solar panel option, that will run some of your electric plugs in the camper. It's not strong enough to run the air conditioner, but it does run some of the electric plugs in the camper, giving you the ability to have some electric off of the battery system. Overhead cabinet above the kitchen sink area here. You have the new stainless sink with the rounded bowl. So it used to be kind of a rectangular shape. They went to a rounded shape this time. Counters changed a little bit, but a nice laminate countertop there. Still have the hidden hinges on the cabinetry. The cabinetry color did change a little bit. Full extending ball bearing drawer guides. They also still do the undermount stovetop here with the glass lid, but they changed it to a stainless top instead of the old black top. So that did change a little bit there. The front of the refrigerator also changed. They went to a little bit of a stainless look there instead of just plain black. Now, the R-Pod refrigerator is a 3.7 cubic foot Dometic refrigerator, but this is a true three-way fridge. So it works off electric, works off of gas, and it also works off of battery power. Some of the other small, similar-looking units to R-Pod are just two-way refrigerators. They only work off of electricity and propane. They don't actually work off the 12-volt like they should. So, nice little refrigerator upgrade here. Does have a small freezer. That freezer door compartment can be removed, so it's just a bigger refrigerator if you want. This particular unit was also ordered with the optional convection microwave, so you can cook or microwave. And this, if you do not get it, is basically just an open hole with one of those little cargo net things on it. And you can see the little black cargo net thingy down here on this storage area. Looking toward the rear of the coach is your 60 by 74 queen bed back there. Below the bed is some storage and also the 20,000 BTU furnace. Now, R-Pod does use a 20,000 BTU furnace where some of their competition only uses an 18. So it is a little bit larger furnace. And again, that works off of the digital thermostat. Over here by the entry door area, you have your electric box with your breakers and fuses. Some storage there. You have the optional 24-inch TV. That TV is on a swing arm, so you can swing that around toward the bed. So if you're in there laying down at the bed, you can swing that around to watch it. Above that, you have your monitor panel for your holding tanks, to light the water heater on gas, water pump. You have some switches here for the LED awning light, porch light, interior light, slide out, and your awning in and out button. They have the new Furrion radio here. You have indoor-outdoor speaker controls. Has an HDMI input, USB here also, and it is Bluetooth. Bathroom door lock actually has a lock on it. This unit has the wet bath. Also, the unit has a ABS plastic shroud protecting the walls. I've noticed in looking at some of the competition that they do not have this protective shower wall. You also seen the nice, large, fantastic fan up there. That's great for exhausting out shower moisture. Also, as small as the camper is, it really helps removing any type of smoke and cooking moisture too. You do have the little sink in there. I've had some customers ask, can we order it without the sink? And the answer is yes, that is a thing you can order without if you want to do. Also, there is a little clothes bar here, a little hanging bar in case you want to hang something up, but basically this just flips up and folds down when you don't want to use it. windows on both sides of the bed that open. The one on the rear of the coach does not, but they do have the nicer night shades on the windows. And this is the one of the new colors, basically. This is one of their new colors. This is their lighter color. They have a medium color and a darker chocolate color also. So you do have 3 different choices when ordering the colors. Now, on the colors, the only part that actually changes is the dinette cushions and the little window valances that you can see up here. Now, this one is called Sandbar. But this is the lighter of the colors, and also this is probably the brightest, just being that it is a lighter color. But this is not a fabric material on this part. This is actually kind of a leathery feel, but this part right here does have a little bit of fabric to it. So the main part you're sitting on is leather, easy to kind of wipe up and clean, versus just a traditional fabric seat cushion. Again, my name's Ray. Please feel free to give me a call if you have any questions. Toll-free number, 888-417-8299. My direct extension, 203, if you're interested in purchasing one of these new campers. Also, be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you are interested in one of our updated videos that I have coming out on all the different models. That'll kind of get you a notification when they do roll out. Toll-free number again, 888-417-8299, extension 203.